Hey everybody, this is Julie Quinn, and I'm going to give you a super quick overview for week 12. Now, this week, you have a video on editing, proofreading, and logical fallacies. Imagine that's something I would talk about maybe in Monday's class. As you're thinking about the writing of Essay 3, I want you thinking about editing and proofreading, and I want you to sort of fold in what you're learning about logical fallacies with some of you have already submitted your documents, your group documents, which is great. But for the rest of you, this is just sort of a refresher of some things we've talked about before and how to think about logical fallacies. Okay, that's number one. That's that video, and that is 13 minutes long. Now, the next two readings you have are actually one from Newsmax and one from the Wall Street Journal Europe edition, okay? And I was able to get that for a quick article. Remember, we're going to be talking about this on Wednesday. We're looking together at all these different sorts of articles on the same topic that are that the publishers are represented on the media bias chart. So I want you taking a peek, reading these, taking notes, and we'll talk about that on Wednesday. I want you to be able to identify bias in quote unquote news articles. I want you to identify tone. I want to see how well you understand how data is presented, how much data is presented. And this will really help you for future classes discern what is quote unquote academic or not. All right. And then the last two readings for the week. This is a 2-page Toolman model. It's a visual model of argument here. You've seen this list from our Zoom discussion last week. We're going to continue to talk about this, and we're going to do some Toolman practice together in Zoom. We've got one more little blurb here, and this is only 5. So your Toolman readings in total are 7 pages. You've got one 13-minute video to watch. Imagine that's part of Monday's class. And note as well that if we go into our course, I have set up some meeting times on Monday. Some of your classmates have already signed up. I have 1 or 2, I think, students signed up, but Monday and Tuesday, I've got a ton of time Monday and a ton of time Tuesday. So think about tackling the week 12 readings between, now Monday and Tuesday. If you spread it all out with the video, it should be really manageable. Take notes and then sign up if you want for one of these conference opportunities so that you and I can talk one-on-one about the Essay 3 that you're building, or maybe about the logical fallacies project that you're about to submit. That's what these conferences are for. And then whatever questions you have that you haven't emailed me are posted in the section here. Let me go back to the module for just a quick moment. I'm going to create a Q&A for week 12. And then once all of this is set up, let's see, so we're going to go to discussion, new topic, Q&A, week 12. Just post your questions, your thoughts, your concerns in there for me. This can actually help me design my Zoom for the week. But just so you know, we're going to be talking about those articles, and we're going to be talking about Toolman, and we're going to contextualize it for your upcoming essay. Again, this was a super quick video. I hope this was helpful for you to talk about what's going on, and reach out if you have questions.